While the RS series focuses on delivering exhilarating performance within the confines of practicality, the R series represents Audi's uncompromised pursuit of supercar excellence. These are cars designed to compete with the best in the world, offering blistering speed, razor-sharp handling, and a level of exclusivity that turns heads wherever they go. At the heart of the R series lies the Audi R8, a mid-engine masterpiece that has become a modern-day icon. The R8 embodies Audi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering, showcasing the brand's expertise in lightweight materials, advanced aerodynamics, and powerful engine technology. The R series eschews the practicality of the RS lineup in favor of unadulterated performance. These cars are built for pure driving enjoyment, offering a visceral experience that few other vehicles can match. With their powerful engines, lightning-fast transmissions, and precisely tuned suspensions, R-Series cars are designed to conquer corners and devour straights with equal ferocity. The Audi R8 is the crown jewel of the R-Series, a mid-engined marvel that showcases the pinnacle of the brand's engineering prowess. From its striking design to its exhilarating performance, the R8 is a car that commands attention and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. One of the key elements that sets the R8 apart is its mid-engine layout, which places the engine behind the passenger compartment for optimal weight distribution and handling balance. This configuration allows for exceptional agility and responsiveness, making the R8 feel incredibly nimble and planted through corners. Powering the R8 is a naturally aspirated V10 engine, a masterpiece of German engineering that delivers a spine-tingling soundtrack and breathtaking acceleration. This high-revving engine is a testament to Audi's commitment to naturally aspirated power plants, offering a linear power delivery and an exhilarating exhaust note that is becoming increasingly rare in today's turbocharged world. Despite its performance focus, the R8 doesn't skimp on luxury or refinement. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring premium materials, supportive seats, and a driver-focused cockpit that exudes a sense of occasion. From the beautifully stitched leather to the meticulously crafted switchgear, every detail in the R8's cabin speaks to its premium pedigree.